Money. It's something that impacts all aspects of our lives, from how we live today to our plans for the future. In this video, we're going to explore 10 essential money rules for financial success. These rules aren't just about numbers. They're about empowering you to make smart decisions, achieve your financial goals, and ultimately, gain financial freedom. Whether you're starting your journey to financial independence or looking to optimize your current strategy, these insights will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to take control of your financial destiny. Rule number 1. Spend less than you earn. This might sound simple, but it's the cornerstone of financial success. Spending less than you earn means living within your means and avoiding debt. Here's how you can do it. 1. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. 3. Prioritize savings. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid. By spending less than you earn, you'll be able to save money and invest for the future. Rule number 2. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for financial security. It acts as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Here's how to build one. 1. Set a goal. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. 2. Start small. Begin by saving a small portion of your income each month. 3. Keep it accessible. Store your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account where you can access it quickly if needed. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and prevents you from falling into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Rule number 3. Avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control. The interest accumulates rapidly, making it difficult to pay off the principal balance. Here's how to avoid it. 1. Pay off credit cards in full. Avoid carrying a balance on your credit cards. 2. Use debt wisely. Only take on debt for investments like education or a home that will appreciate in value. 3. Seek lower interest rates. If you already have high interest debt, consider transferring it to a lower interest account or consolidating your debt. Avoiding high interest debt will save you money in the long run and keep your financial health in check. Rule number 4. Invest early and often. The power of compound interest means that the earlier you start investing, the more your money will grow over time. Here's how to get started. 1. Start now. Don't wait to invest. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. 2. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. 3. Regular contributions. Make regular contributions to your investment accounts. By investing early and often, you'll harness the power of compound interest and grow your wealth over time. Rule number 5. Live below your means. Living below your means is about adopting a lifestyle that doesn't require you to spend all your income. Here's how to do it. 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. 2. Be mindful of your spending. Focus on what truly matters and avoid unnecessary expenses. 3. Invest in experiences, not things. Prioritize experiences and relationships over material possessions. Living below your means allows you to save and invest more, accelerating your path to financial success. Rule number 6. Save for retirement. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Here's how to plan for retirement. 1. Maximize employer contributions. Take full advantage of any employer match in retirement accounts. 2. Contribute to IRAs and 401ks. Utilize tax-advantaged retirement accounts to save for the future. 3. Automate your savings. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts. Saving for retirement ensures that you'll have the financial resources you need to enjoy your golden years. Rule number 7. Have multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Having multiple income streams diversifies your income and provides financial security. Here's how to create multiple income streams. 1. Side hustles. Find a part-time job or freelance work that you can do in addition to your main job. 2. Invest in income-producing assets. Real estate, dividend stocks, and bonds can provide passive income. 3. Start a business. Consider starting your own business to create an additional income stream. Multiple income streams can provide financial stability and help you achieve your financial goals faster. Rule number 8. Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is key to making informed financial decisions. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance can help you stay ahead. Here's how to do it. 1. Read books and articles. There are countless resources available to improve your financial knowledge. 2. Take courses. Enroll in online courses or attend workshops on personal finance. 3. Follow financial experts. Keep up with financial experts and advisors for tips and advice. Staying educated about personal finance empowers you to make better financial decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Rule number 9. Plan for big purchases. Big purchases, like a home or a car, require careful planning and saving. Here's how to plan for these significant expenses. 1. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend without compromising your financial goals. 2. Save up. Start saving early and avoid financing big purchases with high-interest loans. 3. Research and compare. Take the time to research your options and find the best deals. Planning for big purchases ensures that you won't overextend yourself financially and can enjoy your new assets without stress. Rule number 10. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Your financial situation and goals will evolve over time. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan ensures that you stay on track. Here's how to do it. 1. Set financial goals. Establish short-term and long-term financial goals. 2. Review your budget. Regularly check your budget and adjust it as needed. 3. Monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your investments and make adjustments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan, you can stay on top of your finances and achieve your financial goals. We hope you found these tips valuable and feel inspired to take control of your financial future. Remember, financial success is a journey, and every small step you take today will lead to greater rewards down the road. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your financial strategy, these rules can guide you towards a more secure and prosperous life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy and keep reaching for your goals.